Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manee, or near University Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Lansing, New Lenox, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Park Forest, Alsip, Madison, and Mokina. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 291 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 331 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 145 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 53 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 53 and 74. This includes Purdue University Northwest Hammond, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College, Soldier Field, South Suburban College, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather